Beautiful weather out, so I'm gonna go and film. It's actually raining. That's what I consider beautiful weather. It's still winter over here, but everything is starting to bloom. It's really pretty. I had a feeling there was gonna be a flood somewhere, and it's down here by the school. Wow. Let me get in that. Let me get in that. Wow. That's wild. Puddle. Puddle. Puddle time. Puddle. Flowers. Puddle. Puddle. They got one of them Harry Potter trees